Transportation form of the future is getting closer to becoming reality, and a key piece of this international project is located in Elk Grove.
First of all, I'd like to thank Ken Harrison, the CEO of GNB, here today. I'd like to thank all of the employees of GNB who helped to bring this to life.
Today we're very excited to announce the unveiling of the Hyperloop Transportation Technologies gate valve.
This is science and innovation at work, thinking and dreaming about what that future looks like. And think about it, pneumatic vacuum tubes with capsules in it, moving passengers at up to 700 miles per hour. So you go from
Los Angeles to Sacramento in about 45 minutes. This is new and the first time that anything like this has ever been done.
And for Hyperloop TT, for 7 years, we've been thinking about how to dream big, but build bigger. Today, we're unveiling and will soon be operating the world's first full-scale safety Hyperloop isolation valve.